This video will show you how to install your new smoke sensor using step-by-step instructions. If you need help with any part of this installation, simply call TELUS Smart Home Technical Support at 1-855-255-8828. The smoke sensor comes with battery, screws, and drywall anchors, but you'll also need a drill with a 2mm bit and a hammer. You may also need a ladder or something secure to step on. First, install the batteries. If the batteries come pre-installed, pull the battery tab. If not, remove the sensor from the base and insert the batteries. Install your smoke sensor between the bedroom areas and the rest of the home, and near the stairway to the upper floor. For ceiling mounted, it should be at least 4 inches or 10 centimeters away from the nearest wall. For wall mounted, it should be no more than 4 inches or 10 centimeters from the ceiling. Don't install it directly above a sink, cooker, stove, or oven, or within 5 feet or 1.5 meters of any cooking appliances. Keep it away from doors and windows with drafts. If you're installing your smoke sensor on a sloped ceiling, please refer to the manufacturer's instructions included with the device, or contact TELUS Technical Support. To install the sensor, place the mounting base on your desired ceiling or wall space so you can make markings for where you'll drill your holes. Using a secure step stool or ladder and safety gear, begin to drill your holes in the spots you marked. Hammer in your drywall anchors and then attach the mounting base using the screws provided. Then fit the sensor snugly on the base by lining up the hole on the sensor with the marking on the base plate, and your installation is complete.